my second order. Okay, thanks, perfect. Yeah. So this is my second order of HelloFresh. So maganda dito kasi meron siyang recipe. Ooh, creamy beef veggie pasta. Tapos ang easy lang gawin. Next, quick pot. Ito yung pinili ko kasi mas easy siya gawin. Easy burger. You want burger later?
Anyone is okay.
Yeah, I choose the easiest one. That's why. Easy honey, soy. It's all vegetables, but
We have to put it away before it freezes.
I'll do it. Okay, no need to put things perfect. What's this one?
It's been cold down here.
Yeah, because they put ice on it. Ooh,
This
20% off. Athlete's food.
Oh, that's where
That's
we.
for the shoes.
Yeah, that's where we bought our shoes.
Fresh rewards. What's this?
Delicious dinners, delicious rewards.
Oh, where are you on your fresh reward journey box? I'm
You get
here
a
at the
free
third
one.
box.
Do you get a free one?
Ah, okay. If I get the third box, then I get the reward. 6 and 7. I don't know what's the rewards, but so this is so let's take the meat first. Scissors, please. Scissors? Here we go. I hate you.
Ooh! Can I have this?
No, I'm not sure.
Finally, they put something in there I can have.
Wait. I need this.
What's this?
That's an ice pack.
Can we keep this?
For them. Yeah, I keep some of them actually. The first one. I'll check the recipe, okay? If they need it. If they didn't, but they put it in there, so it means that's include ponzu sauce, ginger, mayonnaise, low. There's nothing in here.
I can't eat mayonnaise.
I know, but I'm not going to put mayo in the food.
You can just put it in your one.
Creamy pesto. What's the other one? Where's the other one? I think that's free.
What is?
Yeah, the drinks. That drink is free. We can buy it. Yeah, I can't see any. Oh, fashion. Ito yung free ata nila. Noise. It's noise. Okay. Take this out. This yung mag-freezer na. Wait for a while. So, ito burger yung lulutuin namin later sa dinner. So, color nito is orange. So, dito, by color sila eh. So, ito yung para mamaya. Meal kit nila. Ganda. So, sa loob naman, this is burger buns from HelloFresh. 4 ata yung laman niya. So, good for 4 meals kasi to. So, ayan. Misculin. Para ilagay siya later. Tapos, breadcrumbs for the bird, for the patty. Ito, di ko alam kung magugustuhan nila to, pero pesto dressing. canola oil. Ayaw kasi nila sa yung mga ano ko dito sa bahay, ayaw nila ng mayo. So, I guess pwede to mamaya. Tapos, si spice. Ayaw ko nito. Hindi ko to ilalagay. Tapos, kamatis, kumara, which is sweet potato. So, that's it. Next time ko na lang to titingnan siguro. Ayan lang. Thank you, guys.